Today guys I will show you the easiest way how to get badges on Signal app. So it's very easy, just watch and follow this video till the end. You should open first your Signal app. It will take you here to this chat page. Click here now, and right now just go and click here. So then you will find here badges, click on it. And as you can see here, get badges for your profile by supporting Signal. So the only way to get badges is to support Signal. So click here, become a listener, and right now you have to like donate to Signal and click continue, and then you will get badges. That's all. Don't forget to like and also subscribe, and bye.